Now, when you are asked to show a certain degree, right, just remember this highest degree is 1 degree. The first derivative, right? Second derivative is this one. So means here to here, you need to differentiate how many times? Once. Okay. This here to here, need to differentiate how many times? Twice. Okay. So this is one thing I think you should take note of. Remember that. Judge. Because sometimes you have questions like this. Questions like this. Students thinks that this one to here, they need to differentiate twice. They think that the very common misconception is they think they need to differentiate twice. It's not right, because this is a degree of 1. This is actually differentiate once and then you square both sides. Is that okay? Alright, so this part here, so I'm going to differentiate once. I'm supposed to get the first part. So from y goes to sine plus x dy dx. Okay, chain rule. Yay. Here. Outer layer, inner layer. Differentiate this will be here. Don't make sine inverse because you have a cos here. So you differentiate it, you straight will get this. Okay, so don't do that. So you need the cos to be there. So once done, you just multiply both sides with 1 plus x. Okay, so this case here will be okay. Second part we have here. Second part will be differentiate this once. So I'm going to differentiate again. Okay, so this one here and this one here. Then you have got this one chain rule as per normal. So this is product rule. So 1 plus x. Okay, so let me write it down for you. U and V. Then after that, in here, negative sign ln 1 plus x. Then the inside one will be okay, like that. Chain rule, there you go. So once done, yeah, I'm supposed to do multiply both sides here. Okay, and then because this is y, which is y minus y, maybe use with this. Okay, the last one, this one, if you want to the part x cube, meaning you need to find d cube y dx cube, or you need to find f prime prime 0, okay, or f. Okay. Essentially what you need is differentiating these ones. Now, the learning point here is just make sure you understand that once you okay, they ask you to show this, right? Because this one, further differentiating this will be easier. Differentiate with respect to x. This is much easier. So this is 1 plus x squared d cubed y dx squared plus d squared. You don't need to rearrange this. Please leave it as it is. Don't go and rearrange it. Yeah, just leave it as it is. Like that. Okay, so let me just write it down for you. This is u, this is v. Okay, like that. Then you just go and do some scavenger hunt. Now this is successive differentiation. So in your MF26, what you need to do is actually use this first one by successive differentiation. This kind of question is successive differentiation. Cannot be you differentiate like 2-3 times a day, then it's not successive differentiation, right? You go and use like standard series. Oh, actually you can use standard series, but actually you can use standard series. You can, but no, you just use the successive differentiation. Here, we will be like using x equals to 0. Y will just be sine ln 1, which is 0, so this is 0. Then you go and find out what is this one. Actually, it's quite good. This is given to you. So it's 1 plus 0, 0. You want dy dx. Ln 1, which is 0. So dy dx is actually 1. Dy dx here is actually 1. Okay, then d square y dx square will be here. This one here. Okay. Just go and find it out. This is 0, so it's quite easy. It's d square y dx square plus dy dx, which is 1, plus 0. This one here. Okay. Then d cube, just substitute here. This is 0. Just eyeball can already. Don't need to go and. This is minus 1 times 2. This one is minus 1. dy dx is how much? dy dx is 1. dy dx is 1. So 2. One plus. Yeah, I multiply 1 plus x. I forgot to multiply this. Pain, my goodness, pain. Okay, can. So meaning this is still 1. Still 1, yeah. So this is still 1. Wow, this is so painful. This is so painful. Ouch. Thank you. Yeah, so you don't need to rearrange. Like I say, I don't need to rearrange. I just leave it as it is. dy dx. Yeah, just leave it like that. Then you just substitute it in. So this will be d squared. This is minus 2. 0. This d squared. This is minus 1. dy dx is how much? 2. Also, your d cube y dx cube is just 1. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes such is life. Very anticlimactic. So y goes to, does it bring out your MF26? Y goes to Here, so this will be y. What do we want? We want y. Then this will be okay. There you go. This is your answer.